Hi everyone, it's Tom Shin here again from Alaant Workforce Solutions. Employers keep raising salaries to attract candidates, but what if you can't compete on pay alone? Are you out of luck? Absolutely not. We work with companies all the time that have so much more to offer beyond a paycheck. The key is sharing that value with candidates and connecting with them on things which are important to them. For instance, flexibility. You might offer flexible start and end times or remote or hybrid options. Many employees will trade salary for a better work-life balance. Or your company may be doing important work, serving people in need, making a difference in the community. People are increasingly shifting to mission-driven work rather than just chasing profits and titles. Don't forget the value of benefits and the benefits that you provide. Contributing to health insurance, matching a 401k contribution, those are certainly part of the compensation you're providing. And if you do offer remote opportunities, they're saving money on gas, and that really adds up these days. Recruiting is about much more than salary. Alaant's experts know how to highlight what's great about your organization and build a strong employer value proposition. Want to learn more? Call me directly at 518-441-9479 or post a comment or question below. Last but not least, have you heard about HR in the car? It's Alaant's new podcast, and it's launching next week. Subscribe today on all your favorite podcasting channels at Alaant.com. Have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you soon.